Good morning, sir.
Hello.
Good morning. So we're in LA right now and the power is out. Something blew up across the street. So we have to take the stairs and it's super hot in here. So what happened was Dustin was like, it's hotter than a devil's in here. And then there's a girl just like walking up right here that we didn't see. And she was just like, super awkward. Super duper awkward. Gonna stay here for next few days. David is coming, guys. So a lot of you guys that asked about David, yes, he will be. Hello. He will be in the vlog. So yeah, it'll be lit. He gets here later in the day, but we are super hungry. We are starving.
We can't get Dave's hot chicken because the power's out.
The power's out on the whole block. Yeah, we're gonna try to find another one. Freaking Dustin got a haircut. Look at this guy.
Hey, how's it going?
Daddy, chill.
I like it. You look very nice, man.
Thank you.
Let's go find something to eat, bro, because we're hungry. Peep the Food Network. Oh my God, we are at Dave's. Got the combo 3. Comes with 1 chicken tender, 1 nice slider. Got the extra juicy saucies. Look at that. Got some pickle action over there. French fries. But if you guys want to get extra tangy with it, you add a little bit of honey right here. Sounds weird, but if you add a little bit of honey to this, it makes it super nice. We're gonna indulge on this. You ready, Dustin? Let's go. Lunch was amazing. That hit the spot. Oh my God, look at you. Look at you, man.
What phone is that?
It's an iPhone. It's a regular iPhone.
The 12?
12 Pro Max.
Oh no. Oh, I wonder why the camera looks different.
It's so good, man. Since I have you guys here right now, I wanted to ask you guys, what do you think about brand sponsorships? Like when you're watching a YouTube video and it says, yo, this video is sponsored by, boom, Blue Chew.
What the hell is even that?
Shout out to Blue Chew. Here's my code, boop, boop, boop. What do you guys think about that? Do you guys think the person that is doing the shout out is a sellout? Do you think they're trying to get their bag? Do you support it? Do you ignore it? Let me know what you guys think, because essentially the brand deals have been paying for this LA thing down here. So what I want to do is I really want to work on doing more brand deals that fit the channel, but I also want to make sure that it's companies that I really mess with. I don't want to be out here promoting like MAC lip gloss and stuff like that. It's a little weird, you know what I mean? Like, that's your thing, that's cool, but that's not what this channel's about. So
Use the right.
Why does it do that?
Why?
do you watch YouTube a lot?
Just your videos.
This guy's gassing me up. Hypothetically,
Holy
other people that you see do like brand sponsorships, what do you think about them?
They're just trying to get paid.
Yeah, and do you support it or no?
Can I be honest?
Yes.
I just skip it.
If I see a homie that's doing a really crazy brand deal, like with a super big brand,
Yeah.
I know that those brands actually look at the comments. So I'm in their comments saying, hey man, I just bought blah, 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 even though I didn't. Or I say, yo, I'm gonna check this out for sure. Thank you, Mike. Boom, plug. So those brand deals are very important. And I feel like they're slowly starting to roll in more. So I wanted to get you guys' opinions real quick.
I think it's a good opportunity for someone like you who is connected with the support that you have, and
As long as it's not some whack.
as long as
shiz.
it's like, if it's like for instance, I drink coconut water, and if I see you doing an ad for coconut water, oh for sure, yeah, different flavors, different, like with pulp, no pulp, different flavor. I just do coconut water.
3.6 miles.
But
Keep left on.
that would be kind of cool. I would support it and buy it, or
Exactly.
if like something. I know it kind of would have to speak different, because you know different people have different opinions. So I mean, I don't know. This conversation can go forever, but
Bro, if you saw me post an advertisement for Honda or something like that, most definitely y'all have to go crazy in the comments, because that's a huge brand to be working with. So
yeah,
dude,
I'm giving the car for free. What the
free car, guys. All you gotta do is just comment and show some love.
Have my mom comment, my dad, my nephew,
Everybody, I'm buying a Honda now. I love my Honda. It's one thing to think about though, especially when you guys watch YouTube. A lot of the people that you watch, when they do the brand deals, just know they're getting paid, and whatever they're getting paid with, they're probably just throwing it back into the channel somehow or some way. So it's really important to show your love.
But what happens if the brand deal doesn't pay you, but they ask for you to shout them out, and then the next time you do it, they'll be like, okay, say your views have a certain amount. For the next one, we want to double it, and then we'll pay you, or we'll do something like that. Do brand deals do that?
Oh, yo, I feel like we low-key have a podcast right here, dude.
Well, that's what I'm saying. Like,
would you guys want a podcast on this? Do you guys want to know what goes on?
Yeah, it would be a good topic, but like I said, like this conversation can go on and on for like a solid hour. So I'm just gonna shut the fuck up.
No, dude. All right, if you guys want the continuation to this video right here, drop a comment down below and let us know if you guys would listen to a podcast, because that's one thing that I wanted to start. Moving out here, get a podcast going with Dustin, with Mike, and Chase as well, because you guys don't really know Chase, and a lot of you guys were commenting about Chase, who he is, what he's up to, and all that good stuff. So I feel like a podcast would be a nice way of bringing everybody together, and then just conversating, so you guys know a little bit more about us, our personalities, and how we think like that. So let me know in the comment section down below. Dustin and I are gonna head to the jewelers right now to look at some chains and stuff.
Can't even see it, it's so small.
He wants to get a new chain, so we're gonna go check that out. Tap in with you guys in a little bit. About to get my Buddha clean real quick. Been wearing this thing like crazy. Still looks clean, but I want it to hit.
A few moments later.
Just left the jewelry store. I picked up a few chains because I'm starting to sell chains now. So if you guys need some chains, 2 chains. If you guys need some chains, let me know, okay? I will be your source. I will be your plug. Whatever you guys need, hit your boy up. And I also got a personal piece, which was this super crazy purple jade Buddha. As you guys probably know already, I do mess with the lucky Buddha. That's like my good luck pendant right there, good luck charm. So I don't have a purple one. This one is like a really nice light purple. The first time I seen it, I was like, damn. Even Dustin too, he was like, okay. I still need to get the frame wrapped around it, but I'm gonna do that a little bit later. I also have a black one that needs to get wrapped still, but I decided to pick that one up. But right now, we're headed over to Bodega.
Let me get a chopped cheese and a Lucy.
I'm gonna run through this real quick just because you guys saw it in the last vlog, hopefully. But this is Bodega, sneaker store that is hidden. Usually these curtains are down, but of course, because of COVID, they want to make sure it's all nice and you don't touch anything. You walk into this freezer, and then there's a sneaker store on the inside. Super dope concept. So sick. Dang, should I be like Colin? What's good? New Balance game? I could see you wearing those, dude. I could see you wearing those. How much? Damn, boy. Those are fire though.
Yeah,
I love those.
They changed the laces? I wonder if they have the other laces. Wow.
$3 grand.
This is what they're going for you. Used.
What's up, Chase?
Howdy.
Hi.
Hello. Dude, first time on the channel.
This
Super
is-
excited to be here. So I'm a photographer and videographer here in North Hollywood now. And I also do YouTube management. So handling logistics for channels, whether that be content planning, video editing, brand deals, all that kind of stuff. So, you know, if you're interested in any of that, you can hit me. It's
Oh my God. Right here. This is his Instagram. Right there. And as you guys can see behind me, we're trying to run another business venture. We got a couch. We got the backdrop. He manages Dustin's OnlyFans. So if you have a girlfriend or you have a friend that needs OnlyFans managed,
Yeah.
Chase is the guy to go
yeah,
to.
hit me for collabs. You know, Dustin's always down to collab. So.
Of course. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. Now, Chase added these like vibe lights to the room and they're looking pretty saucy, dude. They're looking pretty saucy. Here. Boom. Boom. You just. Boom. Okay. Oh, oh. Oh, sheesh. Oh, no. Oh, So if I click this button, it flashes?
Yeah, that's just test button.
Ah, 3, 2, 1.
Hold it, actually.
Okay. Wait, stand closer.
Bro, I can go blind.
Dude, what's the story with these two chairs? Like, how did these chairs get out here?
You know, ever since Mike got the Satan shoes, stuff just shows up on our door.
Hello? Oh.
Who's calling? Who's calling?
Dude,
Colin's
it says
calling?
he's looking for Colin, but these are staying with me.
Oh, stay tuned. We're gonna have a challenge with these.
We always like to look at the positive side of things. And you know, when the neighbors got evicted, they had to let all their stuff go. They couldn't really take it with them. So we went over there, said, hey, let's cash you out real quick. And we gave them like $6 or $9 per chair. And then we got the TV stand, which actually used to be vertical. We made it horizontal.
I think
the bottom
yeah,
side,
the
it's a
bottom
little
is kind of,
super
you know, we're not gonna show that, but
Yeah.
it looks pretty good. Like, it fits the area because we didn't have a TV stand before, so it was just.
Yeah,
Did you buy that?
I didn't.
It came with it.
No, yeah.
It came with it.
Yeah, it did.
Okay, good. What does that say?
You're exactly where you need to be.
Freaking Dustin bought these. Someone's having a kid. Congrats, my guy. Yo, this new setup is going crazy. Welch's sponsorship coming soon. Chase used to be a subscriber and he used to watch my videos. Now he doesn't.
And then I unsubbed.
And then he unsubbed, but we became friends that way. So if you're a subscriber and you're watching these videos, you might be my friend like Chase.
You might live together.
Sounds like Ivan.
You freaking, yeah, dude, Ivan was a subscriber too. Just making friends with everybody, dude.
I wasn't subscribed when I met you.
But how do we meet?
That
Dinner time, and we're with the gang. I'm with my long lost cousin, Colin. Yes, it is. Dude, upload a video. We are out here indulging on some Korean barbecue. Good vibes.
You think it's done?
I think this one is done. That's all you, Chase. That's pork. You're supposed to eat pork like that. Oh, and Dustin. Look at his face.
You want to share? You get like spaghetti.
Damn, okay, Colin. Ah, dude. This thing looks crazy. This reminds me of my Evo because the color was very similar to this. If you want to give Colin a follow, you want to see his build, boom. Oh my gosh. I don't know, it looks closed. No, there's a video, bro. There's a video. Who drew that?
Blueberry, Burberry, butternut, tan skin, mixed race, buttercup. Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna, whoa.